Welcome back to Naz Creations. Today we are going to do an oil pastel sunset. The paper I will be using is Artist Watercolor, but it works very well for pastel paper too. I have Artist Oil Pastels. So we are going to be making a sunset on the beach kind of thing. So we're going to pick out a sandy color, a dark red, a orange, a yellow, and also a dark blue and a darker purple. And I think that's about it, other than a black. I'm just going to use the black tip for now. We're going to start off with making the beach. It's going to be using the sandy color. Coming up here. Fill it in. Then we're going to take our pencil and draw a line where the sun's going to go. And the sun is going to be right there. You can fill in the sun with your yellow. Kind of let it ray out too. And then down here, we're going to take our yellow, and this is where the water's going to be. So you can zigzag it in between, like the water would be. Next, we're going to take our orange and come up right next to the yellow. But also expand a little more. Like that. And then also taking the orange, weaving in between the yellow. On either sides. Like that. Next, we're going to take our red and finish out here. Expanding even more. And once again, doing the water. Like that. Some of the lines can reach in farther than others. Next, we are going to take, how about this purple? go in here. Mix it up with the red a little bit to have kind of a color in between. Coming right to the water's edge, and then weaving in between again. On the other side of the paper, you can put a few purple strokes in there. Then we will take our dark blue and finish up the rest of the sky. Like that. Now we will take our black and make some palm trees. Shorter one over here. Then a pretty tall one over here. And then one last one right over here. Coming out like that. I'm going to take this part of the pastel so I can make the fronds of the palm trees. Palm tree fronds are going to be going outward. Like that. And you can repeat it on each palm tree. Once you're done with that, I think we're pretty much done. You can make little shadows on the beach of the trees. And then we're done. so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have any suggestions for my next video, you can also tell me down there. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.